The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400 remains a significant and highly suitable motorcycle for beginners in markets like Japan and the rest of Asia, due to its thoughtful design and adherence to tiered licensing regulations. Its 399cc parallel twin-engine strikes an excellent balance, providing enough power to be engaging and fun for new riders without being overwhelming or intimidating. Beyond its engine size, the Ninja 400 boasts a collection of features that further enhance its beginner-friendly nature. The lightweight trellis frame contributes to nimble and predictable handling, instilling confidence in riders as they develop their skills. The comfortable ergonomics, with a relatively upright riding position compared to more aggressive sport bikes, reduce rider fatigue during longer sessions, whether commuting or enjoying weekend rides. The assist and slipper clutch system offers a light clutch lever pull and a wider engagement range, making gear changes smoother and reducing the chances of rear wheel lock-up during aggressive downshifts, a valuable safety feature for newer riders. Furthermore, the inclusion of a large 310mm semi-floating front disc brake provides ample and progressive stopping power, another confidence-inspiring element for those still honing their braking techniques. In terms of instrumentation, the Ninja 400 features a high-grade multi-function dash that is easy to read, providing essential information at a glance without overwhelming the rider. While the 2025 model focuses on new color combinations: metallic matte graphene steel gray with metallic flat spark black and metallic spark black with metallic magnetic dark gray, the core functionality and user-friendly design remain. The twin LED headlights not only contribute to the bike's modern aesthetics but also offer increased visibility, enhancing safety on the road. The pricing in Japan, at 792,000 yen, around $5,110 United States dollars, further underscores the Ninja 400's suitability as an accessible beginner bike. This price point makes it an attractive option for those looking to enter the sport bike segment without a significant financial burden.